Hello friends, I am Chetan Singhadiya from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. You are watching the video lecture series for the subject of Cloud Infrastructure and Services. Today we are going to see what is Virtual Private Cloud, that is VPCs. Now let us understand what is Virtual Private Cloud. Virtual Private Cloud, that is VPC, is an on-demand configuration pool of shared computing resources allocated within a public cloud environment. It is also provide a certain level of isolation between the different organizations using the resources. VPC is the logical division of a service provider and public cloud multi-tenant architecture to support private cloud computing also. This model enables an enterprise to achieve the benefits of private cloud, such as first one is it is more granular control over virtual networks. It is isolated environment for sensitive workloads while taking advantage of public cloud resources. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud provides a bridge between a company existing network and the AWS cloud. VPC connects your network resources to a set of AWS systems over virtual private network, that is VPN, and extends security systems, firewalls and management systems to include their provision in AWS servers. Amazon VPC is integrated with Amazon EC2, but Amazon plans to extend the capabilities of VPC to integrate with other systems in the Amazon Cloud Computing portfolio. In a virtual private cloud model, the public infrastructure as a service provider is responsible for each private cloud customers that data remains isolated from every other customer's data, both in transfer and secret of the cloud provider's network. This can be accomplished through the use of security policies like encryption, VLANs, private IP to each customers. A virtual private cloud user can be defined and directly manage network components including IP addresses, subnets, network gateways and access control policies. Now let us see what are the features of virtual private clouds. AWS VPC is flexible to connectivity as it can get connected to the internet. The data transfer based on AWS resources that one can expose publicly and those which one has to keep private. Another feature is that it privately connects the software as a services solutions which is supported by AWS Private Link. It is ability to privately connect the VPC within your own organization and internal services across different accounts. It privately connects to virtual private network, that is VPN, without using an internet gateway. The another features are the peer VPC together to share resources across multiple virtual networks owned by the owner or other AWS accounts. Using network access control list inbound and outbound access and individual subnets is controlled. It provides a feature of security such that the data stored in Amazon S3 can only be accessed from within your Amazon VPC. Using VPC peering, you can connect your AWS VPC with other VPCs and access resources in other VPCs. So friends, these are the features of virtual private cloud. Now let us understand what are the benefits of virtual private clouds. The first benefit is it is secure. It provides advanced security features like security groups, network access control list to enable inbound and outbound filtering at the instance level and subnet level. It is simple also. You can create VPC quickly and easily using the AWS Management Console. all the scalability and reliability of AWS. Amazon VPC provide all of the same benefits as the rest of the AWS platform provides. So friends, these are the benefits of virtual private cloud. So friends, this is what virtual private cloud services in AWS. I hope you will understand what is VPC, what are the features of VPC, and what are the benefits of this virtual private cloud. Thank you.